Welcome back to CRIBS. This week on CRIBS, we are hanging out with the Days. We're going to show you their crib because they don't want to show you their crib. Because they've been in this crib, this mobile crib, for quite a while. I'm going to give you the $2 tour of the crib, and we're going to start right here at the door.
Turn all the lights on for you.
And the door is right there. And what do you do at the door? You might be asking. Well, you come in it and you go out it, but that's what is called the door. All right, so now we're going to move up into the bedroom area where all the magic happens. And here's the bedroom. They got a nice king bed in here, and that's on a slide out. But check out this lovely, spacious bathroom, big shower, washer and dryer in here, nice cabinetries, a double sink, which I understand is a feature that is pretty incredible with this trailer, this fifth wheel. Moving back out of the front end of the trailer. We're back at the door.
Did it break? Did it crack?
And one of the nice features of this door is this lengthy mirror, so you can see when people are out there, and you can decide whether you want to let them in or not.
And it has the, instead of a screen door.
Ooh,
This
look
is our
at that.
screen.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Shelly was having trouble.
This crib has a half bath down here with a toilet and a sink, and that's downstairs.
Right.
Samsung. So we bought, when we were traveling, we bought a new.
And then we're into the kitchen area
So we,
where Shelly is cooking up some dinner,
I didn't know you had an outside.
yeah, we have
Lasagna.
See, I want an outside TV and Jerry.
and it's got a nice double sink. It's got a residential refrigerator. This would be the pantry
Yes.
I put a football
Yep.
game on.
area right there.
Pretty nice
She's got her
pantry.
TV
Has
here.
drawers.
Watching some parkland.
Well,
So-
Jerry's
Or she goes.
Nice stuff.
Jerry's against the NFL right now.
Nice,
Well, I have.
nice cabinet space.
Oh yeah.
A nice fireplace that not only provides heat but some ambiance.
Take it
Nice,
away,
great
but-
big TV there.
The mattress.
We love the back window.
But, you know, but like I record several.
This is a additional
I
bed
like to watch it.
that folds out, couches.
Obviously, I like the Kansas City Chiefs, but I just like watching football because.
Here's a couple of the
the
residents and guests of this crib.
owner, visitor.
And then we've got a nice little workstation over here, and it's almost like being in a Hampton Inn
Yeah, with your desk.
with a nice little workstation.
There you go.
Anyway, it's a really nice, spacious place, and
Winnebago.
it's one of. Well, I was gonna say, could you tell us what this is?
It's a Winnebago Destination 39 FB for front bath.
Front bath,
Right.
and it's a beautiful bath. too.
2016.
But it's really a nice big rig, and it's very, very comfortable,
Well,
and they enjoy it. They're living in this thing, and so they call it home, and it's very nice.
so when you guys were looking.